Hello guys and girls, I will show you now how to delete any threads using Malwarebytes. First open a browser and search Malwarebytes. Malwarebytes free antivirus replacement and anti-malware tool. Click first link. Your first line of defense agents. It's the cyber security you have been looking for. Free download or see pricing. Click now free download. When the download is complete, then install it. After the installation is complete, shut down your PC. It's time to turn on the PC again. Click F8, select safe mode and click on it. Now click Malwarebytes and open. Click again scan. Click custom scan. Configuration scan. Select alright. Then click scan now. Just provide. When completed scan, click view result. See here that this is 189 thread finded. Click save result and after that save as you wish. As you can see, there are these virus driver folder or files, and you choose to choose and delete them. See that now. It is show where there are viruses, driver folder or file. Now again open Malwarebytes. Click now quarantine selected. Here's a little time. In between I say something about it. For business, give infinitive security products the boot. Clean up the mess the malware made. And protect your network, data, employers and your bottom line. For home, get peace of mind with multi-device protections for you and your home. Malwarebytes for Windows. Multiple layer of malware crossing teach. Smarter detections. Specialized ransomware protections. It's the cybersecurity computer pro recommended. Kick hackers to the club. Malwarebytes for Windows is a next generation antivirus replacement, the first of its kind of home user. Malwarebytes for Windows employer for independent technology models, anti-malware, anti-ransomware, anti-exploit and malicious website protections to block and remove both known and unknown threats. What it does for you: protect you from advanced threats, detected and remove malware in real time with advanced anti-malware, anti-spyware, and anti-rootkit technology. For complete removal, this message shows. See that this is showing up here. How many items scanned and how many threads finded. Scan time, item scanned, thread detected, thread quarantined. All selected items have been removed successfully. A log file has been saved to the log folder. Your computer needs to be registered to complete the removal process. Would you like to register now? We now click on Yes button. Automatically register your PC. Open again normal mode and click Malwarebytes. Click again quarantine. Select all. Show a message. Are you sure you want to delete this item? Now, if you think all the delete, then click Yes button, and if you want where you have saved it, the choice from here. Remove it. Then click on No button. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.